Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my channel. I have a project share video to show you, and these projects were made as part of the design team that I'm a part of for Shabby Art Boutique, and I made them using the Ginger Kisses digital kit that's available now at Shabby Art Boutique's Etsy store. And just before I share with you the projects, these are just some of the digitals that I had used. I did already cut some out already, but just to give you a little look at some of the lovely printables and digitals that Kerry Ann designs are just simply gorgeous and just really beautiful to work with. So these are some of the tags. And these are the large tags, and you get 4 on a sheet, and there are also some labels, and you can print these on either A4 or a letter size paper. But look at these, aren't these just so cute? And there are also some ticket strips and coupon shapes as well, and beautiful. Look how cute these are. Cute little gingerbread. And look at this one. This, you have to look at these. I did have a full sheet, but I've already used some on the projects, which I'm going to show you shortly. But look how cute they are. Just so cute, and they're really easy to fussy cut, which I love doing. And these are some of the larger tags. You get 4 on a sheet, and there's also a sheet with smaller sizes. You get a ton of images to work with, and beautiful background full size prints as well. So head over to her Etsy store. She also has at the moment a Black Friday sale, so take advantage of that, and there is 30% off selected items, I think, at the moment. I also will have a playlist on my channel, and the playlist will be all of my Shabby Art Boutique projects and tutorials to give you some inspiration and ideas, and so you could also have a look at what kits that are available for you to purchase in her shop, as well as all the links to her Etsy store, Instagram, YouTube, her Facebook group, and also her website as well. So everything will be in the playlist, so you don't miss out on where the videos are on my channel, and just easy for you to navigate. And these are just some of the other prints that I'd fussy cut. Let me just show you how adorable these are, and just so cute. So there are some poinsettias in there, and some more tags as well. Just lovely, really lovely quality to print. You can print them on normal photo papers, copy paper, or cardstock photo paper. This is a gingerbread house. All the ones that I fussy cut, I print them on an A4 cardstock photo paper. It's just more sturdier for me to use when I want to embellish my projects. There's another little cute one. And there is also some pockets in the kit. These ones are the smaller size, and you get 3 on the sheet amongst other cute other images on the sheet. And there is also a larger size pocket, but this one here is the smaller size, which I did use in the projects, and I'll show you in just a sec. And there were 3 of those. And what else was there? So there was also the gingerbread images on ticket strips. There were some smaller ones, some lovely little hearts in a good size, and there's also a hot chocolate in a mug. I just love these, just very sweet and just lovely to work with, and you can use all of the whole kit to make a nice complete project. So these are just some of the lovely images that I fussy cut. So that's those. So let me show you the fun projects that I made. So these projects that I made, these are loaded stand-up pockets, and I made these for both my daughters and their partners, and these will be placed on our coffee table, and then they'll be able to pick their one out when on the day after they open their presents, so they'll get their sort of some treats inside the box. I'll just show you that one first, and I'll come back to this one in a second. So these stand-up loaded pockets that I made one a while back, which was this one here, and I'll put the link to my video and the tutorial on how I put this together. But I'm also going to do a tutorial for you on how you can make these ones using the kit, so you'll have the size for you to make the loaded stand-up pocket if you wanted to make these ones. So hopefully I'll have the tutorial in a couple more days. But this one is how I got inspired to make these ones, because it's similar. I used a tag die to cut the tag, and then I made the box to create the box to load the goodies, and this was just like a Happy Mail idea, and I made it in a shabby theme, and some sequins like in a shaker, and I added a little charm. So this was really fun to make. So that's how I was inspired to make one similar. So this one here is for Nathan. That's got his letter N here. I used a alphabet sticker sheet to put the N for Nathan. And this one will be for Tiana. I've got her initials there for T. So this would be for my eldest daughter, who, I mean, they're adults now. So she's 24 very shortly. And Nathan and Tiana, they're going to get married in March. So I'm really excited to see them get married. But I'm also sad at the same time. But they're lovely kids. So I made them both one each, and I'm going to also make another one for my youngest daughter, who is 22, and that's for Tanisha. So I'll be making her one, and one for her boyfriend as well. So I'll be making 4 in total. So these 2 I've already made. So let's start with Nathan's one first. And what I love about this kit, I was able to make a male and a female theme one, so it's not all pink. So that was great that I was able to make one for Nathan without any pinks inside or any pinks on the images. So this one is Nathan's, and so there was a gingerbread that I fussy cut and just did some layering and embellishing to the front of the tag. And I added some twine here just to give it that masculine sort of feel to it. Although this is a gold ribbon, but I don't think Nathan will mind. And then these are the background full sheet paper that I used to cover the box. So I was happy with that side. And then on the other side is the same. It was another tag. And I did cut out some of these word sentiments from her Jingle Christmas kit. And that's also available in her store, and you get a full sheet of all these different word sentiments. And you can reprint these as many times as you want and create a whole bunch of more projects. So there was a heart, and there was also a candy cane shaped gingerbread, and there is a little tag. Isn't it just cute? So cute. And I'm going to write a message on the back there for Nathan. And this is the other pocket that I attached to the tag, where you get the 3 pockets, the 3 pockets on the sheet. So this was the other one, and this is the one that I placed here on front of this tag, and it's a perfect size for this large tag, so you can make a pocket tag out of it. So that's that one. And then the other pocket, I'd place it on Tiana's tag, which I'll show you in a second. But let me show you what I put inside the stand-up pocket. I've got in here that everyone gets the same sweets. We all love our sweets, and so they definitely love their chocolates as well. So I'll put 2 candy canes, and then there is also some chocolates, Cadbury milk chocolates. These are delicious. I love these chocolates. It's nice and thin, and it's just so creamy and delicious. And I think these ones have popping candy inside, so when you bite the chocolate, they kind of pop these little candies in the chocolate. So that's there. And I also put in here a Walker's shortbread biscuit, And I made my own bag topper, and this is another digital that's in the kit, and there was also the word yum yum in there. So I thought that looked really nice packaged this way. So Nathan gets one of these, and I just stuffed some shredded paper inside just to raise the sweets above inside the pocket. So that's this one. I just put these back, and I'll fix this up later for Nathan. And this one here is Tiana's one. So hers is pink, and I had fun embellishing this side of her pocket. She's got her initial T. There was a cupcake in there as well, and there was a star, and the image was already printed on the tag, so I just decorated that with some flat back pearls and satin bow, and there's some organza ribbon up here, and I used the full sheet background paper for the side of the pocket. And then on this side here is an adorable tag with a bow on it. It's really cute, and I'll leave a message in the back there for her. So this is the other pocket, and then that's the image that's already printed on the tag. And then I embellished the front here with one of the heart shape, another word sentiment from the Jingle Christmas kit, and a satin bow, and that just goes in there like that, and it's really cute. And her box is the same. She gets 2 candy canes, and there is also the same chocolates inside for her, and a shortbread cookie as well. And there was a bow in the kit, so I'd place that on the front to finish off the bag topper, and also the word yum yum, and it was just perfect. So I was able to make a male and a female theme packaging from the kit. So it's just a great kit because I was able to make it without any, to make it more of a masculine and a feminine one. So that was great about this kit, that I was able to do that. It wasn't just all pink, and so that was perfect. So that is this one for Tiana, and then I'll be making 2 more, but I'll make one in the tutorial so you could see how to assemble the lotus stand-up pocket. And then I made a mini pizza box, and this is for Amelia, for my niece. If you probably have seen one of my videos where I had made a folio folder for Amelia, and she's going through a rough time at the moment, but actually at the time, but she's doing really well now, and she's just in good spirits now, so I'm happy to see her all happy. So this will be for Amelia, and so Amelia is 16 now. She has a younger brother who is 11, which is my nephew, and an older brother who is just turned 18, and his name is Brody. And Brody also has a girlfriend, and she's just as sweet. So I'm going to be making another 4 more of these mini pizza boxes for my other nephews. Amelia's one is done, so I want to show you what it looks like, and I'm also going to show you how you can make one of these mini pizza boxes with the pop-up box as well. So you can make one of these with my measurements, and it's a 3x3 size, so it's only a cute little small one. So I did embellish it with some more of the images that I fussy cut. A star, there's a cupcake, I put some flat back enamel dots, there's the word eat, and one of the little small ticket coupon shape, and added some twine on the top. There's a poinsettia, and there was also like a label shape there as well, and I stuck that on there and put her name. And then it opens up like a little mini pizza box, and these are all of a fun yumminess inside. Some chocolates. I've got in here a chopper chomp for her, like a little lollipop, and there was a little pack of Mentos that I was able to get, and they were all in a Christmas theme wrap, which was perfect for adding inside. I also made for her some earrings in some resin flowers, just like little studs, and there was a little key that I dressed up the little bottle with, and you just open up the cork and then you can grab the earrings out, and then she can pop them back in here if she's not wearing them, and it's nice and safe. I think she's going to love that. So that is inside, and this cute gingerbread man was just the perfect size. I was so lucky enough, I was hoping it was going to fit, and it does. It fitted inside the box, and it does this. Look at this, it just spins around. How cute is that? She's going to have so much fun doing this to the poor gingerbread man. And what I used, I had these, I don't know where I put them now. I had these I had these for quite some time. I bought it in a craft fair here in Sydney, and I never got to use them. I don't know what they're called, but if you know what they're called, you can leave a comment down below, so for others to have a read. I really do not know what they're called, but they came in 2 sizes, and they have an adhesive on both sides around there and here. You just peel them off, and then it has this springy thing inside so that it can move around. I think this was like for card making, but I thought I'd give it a go, and then I just sort of, can't see, but I just adhered the back, the gingerbread man to one side, and then the other side I stuck to the back of the lid, and it's just really cute. Look at that. Is it wobbly? Is it like a wobbly? I don't know what it's called. So I'm really sorry. I don't know what it's called, but I finally got to use it first time. And I thought that was fun. Cute little novelty piece there for Amelia to have fun. And I'll add those in the other boxes as well. So these are my project share for Shabby Art Boutique's design team. And it's called the Ginger Kisses digital kit, and it's available now. Again, she has a sale at the moment, so take advantage of that. It's the Black Friday 30% off sale in the Shabby Art Boutique Etsy store. I will be back in a couple more days' time to give you the tutorial to make these lovely projects, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.